This is the elevator of a Summerview Condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator. And I had no idea this elevator was modernized before. Here it comes. Look at these lanterns, man. I sure like this kind of setup. Go to 4. I've seen these pictures before at UMES. Two. What the heck is this? 3. Here, 4. Let's go look outside and see the view. Yep, over there's condominium here. There's another one over there too as well. Oh, there's Gateway Grand where I'm not allowed to video through the elevators at. No. But who knows? I'm going back down anyway. Wow. This kind of lantern looks kind of cool, I bet. I sure love this setup. Go down to G. Close the door. Let's go cab. Nice cab, but it's a little small. What did I like to see, man? Oh, I don't see a certificate, but we have your emergency phone button. The capacity is 2,500 pounds. 2,500 pounds in one. You're a G. Actually, I like those fixtures so much, like the ones in Kyle Hall and UMES, yeah. I mean, it's too cool to be true, yeah? Even his lanterns, too, as well. Let's watch it close. And that's it.